Hey guys, want to know how to make the most tender air fried pork chops? Come on in. PROMOSTK, Sheila's Creations way, and we'll be mukbanging these on Promo STK Eating Good in the Neighborhood. Now let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do with these pork chops, we're going to take them out of the package, give them a good washing, rinse them off, and then we'll put them in that bowl and we'll start adding our seasonings. All right, so we got them all cleaned up. Now let's get started. So these are our seasonings. And when you're adding the seasonings, we'll add about a tablespoon of each seasoning. And let's start with the first seasoning that we're going to be adding to these good old pork chops that we got from the commissary on a grocery haul. If you guys don't remember that, that's where we got these pork chops. So we'll start with our black pepper. We got the table grind black pepper, so it's a little coarser black pepper. So we'll do about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of that black pepper. Then we're going to add our steakhouse seasoning. They have a lot of herbs in the steakhouse seasoning, so we want to make sure we add about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of that. Some good old garlic powder. Yes, liberal with the garlic powder. About a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. We're going to do the cayenne pepper. And about a tablespoon of that. And now we're going to add Badia Complete. Just about a teaspoon of that seasoning. Now we're going to add some sea salt. Again, about a teaspoon of the sea salt. We'll add that in there. We're going to also add the Worcestershire sauce. Yes. We'll add about a good maybe 3 tablespoons full. 2 to 3 tablespoons full. We'll pour that in there. And then last but not least, cooking oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever kind of oil you want to use. Could be extra virgin olive oil. But we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of that oil. And once we get all that in there, we're going to massage all that seasoning and oil all on that meat. And then I say we're going to air fry it. Oh yeah, we're going to air fry it in my air fryer oven. So yeah, we're going to make sure we get all that seasonings all rubbed into that meat. And as you notice, I'm only using one hand to get all that seasoning and stuff on those pork chops. Just one hand. Because you always want your other hand free to do other things. All right, so now we're gonna start putting the pork chops on the racks that's gonna be going into the air fryer. I have a total of 8 pork chops, so I'm gonna put 4 pork chops on each one of these racks. All right, so there you have it. They're all seasoned up and ready to go into the air fryer. Oh, yeah. And look at these babies. They were in the air fryer for 35 minutes. 35 minutes. This is the one rack, and then this is all 8 of them together. Look at those pork chops. That good old southern air fried seasoned pork chops. Look at that seasoning. How it clings to that good old pork. Oh yeah, don't forget, join me on Wow app. And if you haven't already, hit that red button and make it turn gray and subscribe to the channel today. Oh yeah.